Kia ora. We are here in Titi Raukawa, but we're here to celebrate the opening of this new whare. And even though it's not a new whare, we repurposed it to be our whare taonga. And we're going to display a lot of our Ngāti Kuia taonga.
For our artists, it's going to be an outlet to sell some of their artwork. That's one of the intentions, as well as we might hold some sort of art wānanga here. It could be raranga, it might be ko whaiwhai, anything to do with the arts. We'll be utilising the whare for those pursuits.
It's that place where we can come and connect with our past and look at the beautiful work that some of our people are creating. There's that old stuff, and there's also all the contemporary, the new stuff.
And that's another opportunity that you'll see inside here, is that one of our whanaunga, Natalie Kete, she's got some of her artwork on display in there. As our people have moved away from living in the rohe, or living in our traditional home areas, is that they've taken up these old skills of learning how to weave and make taonga. And Natalie is, she's just an amazing artist. And if you go in there, you see some of her jewellery, beautiful. And she incorporates two different mediums, so stone and metal. So you'll see some pretty awesome stuff if you come and have a look at it.
Tēnā tātou. Tēnā tātou whakarongo mai nei. Ki au, nōku te maringa nui, te whakaingoa hia, tēnei tō mātou whare. We've named the whare Te Kete Aronui. The Kete Aronui was one of the kete that Tāne brought back from the heavens, and it contained the artworks, their knowledge of artwork and ritual. So it seemed an obvious name, after a lot of thought, it seemed an obvious name to name the whare after the purpose that we're using it for. Of course, we're in this Ngāhere here, Tāne. He's the progenitor of all these trees, and we wanted to keep it together in this, the theme together. Well, I've got to acknowledge Vanya. Vanya's put this all together, and she's a really hard worker, and we're fortunate to have her services, as well as her being a whānau member. We're individuals within a collective, but it's all about the collective, about the iwi, the hapu, the whānau. And a strong whānau is a whānau that keeps together, and that's what Ngāti Kuia does.